always having a good day because I'm not. And right now, I'm going to show you how my brothers completely ruined my day. And when I say brothers, I actually mean one of my brothers. This is one of her favorite books. Oh, I think this one needs a little help. I could help her with this a lot. Alright. Maybe a little black outlining would look nice. Well, I'm pretty sure foxes have pointy ears. That looks pretty good. Now I'm gonna give it a bolder outline so it'll really pop. Oops. Oh shoot, Alyssa? Oh phew, it was just my mom, not Alyssa. But it still caused me to make a mistake. I better get out of here before I mess up her artwork anymore. Wait, what? Why is my desk unorganized? It never is. It's so weird. Who did this? Wait, what? What is this? Oh my gosh. I bet it was Owen. Oh. Whoever did this needs some art lessons because they don't know how to trace. I need a lock on my door. That was really close. I think Alyssa just went in her room and I really hope she didn't see it. So, let's check if I can get back in. The coast is clear. Perfect, beanie boos. Now it's time for a little friendly match of soccer. Soccer ball. Perfect.
It's a slugfest. Where's that ball?
Winning goal in the 89th minute. Well, I better put these back before Alyssa notices. Wait, doesn't this one go here? Oh. I think that's how it was. Wait, who reorganized my beanie boos? Who did that? It couldn't have been Owen because he's too short. This had to be the twins or David, but I think I know where they go. I think that's about right. Oh, I think she's back in her room again. Wait, who reorganized my beanie boos? That means we could probably go take a look at her homework. So I was just sitting here eating my lunch, doing my homework, and I got up to get something in my room, and look what my brothers did. Have you seen Alyssa? I think she's in her room. Okay, thanks. Usually math is about finding the right answer, but this time it's about losing the right answer. Now when she turns in her math, it'll be incomplete. Oops.
These ones look good. Looks like you did some work in these ones. Why don't you just bring it back though when everything's complete?
I thought I did. That's so weird because I know I did that math page. I was just eating my breakfast. I left the room for a minute, and by the time I got back, my oatmeal was completely gone. Looks like Alyssa's made some food. Where's my food? Did someone take my food? Where did my food go?
I'm eating a food,
Jackpot! It's her phone. Time to have a private conversation with Alyssa's best friend. I've got a good one. I like your eyes. Wonder what she's gonna say to that. This is a very interesting conversation. I hate foxes so much. I heard you have a secret crush on my brother David. See what she has to say to that. Isn't it true? That's funny, she thinks I'm cute. I was just kidding about the foxes. I gotta go do my homework now. I wonder if Alyssa's gonna read that conversation. Oh, it sounded like one more message. Okay. Hey, while I'm here, I'm gonna detune her guitar. Guess there's gonna be no more practicing for her, so she gets this back in tune. Oh, it's pink. Gosh. She's gonna have a very interesting practice session with this detune. Alyssa's about to have to practice all her musical instruments, so I'm gonna go hide her piano books. Oh, here's my book. Wait, who's been texting Ellie? What's this? Secret crush? What? I like your eyes. I hate foxes so much. I heard you have a secret crush on my brother David? Who wrote this? It has to be David doing all this. I guess I need to change the password on my phone. Well, now it's time to practice guitar. Whoa, oh my gosh, wait. I just practiced this yesterday. How did it lose so much tune? There's no way. Guitars do not lose their tune in 24 hours. I think my brothers are definitely messing with me. Not cool. I never have to tune the guitar before I practice. At least not like this. Well, it's close enough. I've done my homework, my guitar, so as soon as I do piano, I'll be all done. There they are. I think that's good.
Is that the last one? Yeah. Okay, I'll go next. As soon as I get my books. I swear I put it right here on the floor. Look at me.
Wait, are these it? Oh, these are my books. I'm done with all these little pranks. Now I can finally be done with all my chores and practicing. Well, I hope you guys saw this as entertaining. Even though I didn't, hopefully you guys liked it, and it could have been a lot worse. Like my night routine that was ruined by David. That was pretty bad. But at least it wasn't too bad today, so I hope you guys at least like watching it. So, see you later. Bye!